Welcome to James' Kitchen. Today we're going to deal with that very tricky problem of what to do with a bagel hole. Classic family recipe, steamed eggs. Okay, step one, first massage the hole. We need a nice big hole to work with and then pop in the pan. Top tip guys, don't forget to toast both sides, and when you're happy, crack an egg gently into the middle of that tricky hole. Next, add some water and steam. Why? No clue. And we're good. And serve.
Why can't we just have toast for breakfast?
Because that is, I'm going to call it an eggicle. No, a bagel. Eggible. What do you think you should call it?
Rubbish.
Clearly a family favourite. Working title is still Beegles, but if you have a better name, do let me know. And next time we'll be dealing with that tricky trifle.